In the United States, kosher consumers do not need to check flour for infestation at this time. If signs of insect presence are noticed, however, the flour must be checked. This tutorial describes the signs of flour infestation and methods to protect flour products from insects. Special care should be taken by those using flour that has been stored for some time, such as yashin or last year's matzah meal. Often, insect eggs have matured and hatched by this time. Only insects that are visible with the eye present a kashrus problem. This is true even if the bug is not discernible without magnification, but can only be seen as a speck. Insects that cannot be seen at all, such as eggs that are common in flour and other foods, do not present a kashrus problem because of their microscopic size. When opening the flour, notice if there are small holes in the surface. This would indicate the presence of the red or confused flour beetle. These red beetles are easy to see on the surface of the flour, but quickly burrow into the flour when exposed to light or activity. Also watch for small black spots. These beetles are about half the size of the letters on a nickel. It takes a strong magnifying glass or microscope to distinguish them from dirt particles. Often the flour will be speckled with these spots when infested. Look for webbing. Moth larvae produce this webbing where they are feeding. Flour or meal stick to the webbing and is easy to detect by the stringy masses of material. To prevent infestation, many people keep flour in the freezer. This may work if the temperature stays at 0 degrees centigrade for 4 days. At this temperature, the eggs will die. If infested flour is found, scrub containers with soap and hot water. Make sure to remove all the flour particles that adhere to the sides of the container, as these are commonly insect eggs, which are coated with a sticky secretion and become covered with flour. Once cleaned in this way, containers will be safe for use.